Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the World Cup light stick, the Aster Football Cup close stick in Heartopia. So, Heartopia has a new event, football club event like this, where you can collect lots of awesome football team rewards, and one of them is this cool light stick. This one, Aster Football Cup close sticks. And to getting it is super easy. First just tap on this club icon, this one, and then next just tap on the football club banner, and then just tap on go purchase on this Aster Football Cup Limited, this one, and then in here just choose this glow sticks, and it costs 8,000 gold. So make sure you have enough gold to purchase it, and once you have enough gold, just tap on purchase, and just like that, you will get the gold glow stick like this, and it will add it to your to your dress collections. And the handheld, this one, you will get it like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. Now you can use this awesome football team light stick and show your support during this event. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.